So far, the agent can plan and defend itself. Next, we stop trusting it blindly, validating what goes into and out of every tool call, and moving the math and business rules to code the AI can't get wrong.
Wait, where did it get 100,000?
The tool itself would honestly just accept that. Nothing stops it at the API level.
Then we stop it before the API level. Is the parameter even required? Right type, right range? Does it match the task contract? Right supplier, right region? And is this user even authorized to ask? Every tool call the model generates is untrusted input, every single one. No exceptions for good behavior so far.
API says everything's fine, API is wrong. Schema, completeness, ranges, units, currency, identity, freshness, plausibility, even whether the record count makes sense. 9 checks before anything reaches Atlas. The tool succeeding and the tool being right are two different questions. We only started asking the second one today.
A tool result didn't get to enter the agent's reasoning just because the API call succeeded. It had to survive its own validation first.
Just say that number again.
It did the freight twice. Landed cost is unit cost plus freight plus duty, insurance, handling, and any expedite cost, once, not twice. And the supplier score is delivery at 35%, quality 25, cost 25, risk 15. Atlas can explain the result all it wants. It doesn't get to produce the result anymore.
Apex can deliver 4,000 units in 6 days. We need 6,000 minimum, just to keep the line running.
So the best score isn't actually an eligible option. Supplier has to be approved, contract has to be active, technical compliance confirmed. Risk can't be critical, quotation can't be expired. Apex fails on delivery alone, but any one of these would have done it. Scoring tells you who's best. Rules tell you who's even allowed to be considered. Score never overrides a rule.
The numbers are locked down now, but a careful agent still isn't a supervised one.